Hey guys, it's Unicorn Star Girls and today we are going to teach you how to do calligraphy. So here are the basic things that you need to know about calligraphy. Calligraphy is a visual art related to writing. It is the design and execution of lettering with a broad tip instrument, brush or other writing instruments. Modern calligraphy ranges from functional inscriptions and designs to fine art pieces where the letters may or may not be readable. Classic calligraphy differs from typography or non-classical hand lettering. True, a calligrapher may practice both. Calligraphy continues to flourish in the forms of wedding invitations and event invitations, font designs, and typography. Original hand-lettered logo design, religious art, announcements, graphic designs, and commissioned calligraphic art. So, some of the tools can be fountain pens, brush pens, paintbrushes, or anything. So practically there are a lot of types of calligraphy, but the main types are Chinese calligraphy, modern calligraphy, and classic calligraphy. Modern calligraphy are using brush pens or fountain pens, and classic calligraphy is using fountain pens. Chinese calligraphy is using Chinese brush pens. But today we will only be teaching you modern calligraphy and Chinese and calligraphy with brushes. Sorry about that. I got mixed up. Okay, so these are my recommendations. This is Tombow. It's a brush pen. See? And it's a dual tip. It has a normal tip on this side. And this is a koi coloring brush pen. It is one tipped, but it is very good and you can color with it too. So first of all, you need to get a piece of paper or your notebook or whatever you want. This is my art book. Yeah, I have a lot of art in here. Yeah. My hairstyles. And some bubbles. Okay. So let me get to the point. Okay, so you need to go take your brush pens. I will be using Tombow first. I'm gonna use this black. No, pink. Yeah. So practically, I'm gonna do hand lettering. So you gotta remember, when you go up, it has to be thin. When you go down, it has to be thick, like this. So I'm gonna write the word happy. Yeah. Calligraphy can't be too straight. And then I'm gonna write eating. And then I'm gonna write forest. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a little shadow with normal pens. Shadow makes it a lot of effect. I'm gonna fast forward on this. Okay, so this is what I did. The shadow gives it a lot of effect, as you can see. And here, now I'm going to use koi brush pens. I'm going to write close. And then I'm going to write drive. Now I'm going to do the shadow again. Here I've done the shadow for this one, and I didn't really do the shadow for this one. You can see a big difference, right? Yeah. So next I'm gonna do the brush. So I got my brush over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna open my brush up. And you can see here that it's full of water. I just refilled it. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my paint. I am using Buncho paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in. Since this is a water brush, you don't really need to add water. So I'm gonna write chair. I kind of prefer brush cause there's ombre. You know what ombre is, right? Yeah, I wrote chair. I'm gonna write table. See? Yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to write the R's. I'm gonna use a regular calligraphy pen again. I'm gonna use black this time. So for beginners, you can write the R like normal R, but if you want, you could write the R like this. This is more professional. Yeah, like this. See, I write it all the time. And for F, you can write like this if you want, or you can write like this. Yeah, this one's for beginners, this one's for professionals. I am not a professional, but I still can give some advice. So for A, you can for beginners you write like this, but for professionals you write like this. There's not much difference, it's just the spacing. And like this. Yeah. And for H, yeah, H, I'm gonna write hello. Yeah, the H can be like this, or it could be like this, or like this. Yeah, anything you want. Which you want to prefer, which is harder, which is easier. Yeah, there's a lot of practice. So if you have any questions on this, please do say in the comments down below. Yeah. And thank you guys. This is the end of the video. Bye. Yeah, and do subscribe for more videos and turn on that notification and like this video. The next video will feature maybe more art. I don't know. Maybe a vlog. I don't know. See you next time.